Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the session. Today in this session, I will be sharing my experience of taking up AI 900 exam. So before I start with that, let me explain you how many levels are there in Microsoft Azure certification. There are actually 4 levels like fundamentals, associate, expert and specialty. Now the stars available on these exams shows the complexity of the exam. Before you start up with any exam, you should understand what are the different technical role exams are available in Microsoft Azure. So to show you that, here you have the Microsoft page, certification page. You have to select on any of the path that you are interested in, maybe in data engineer or an artificial intelligence or data scientist. Okay, each path will have some related exams associated with that. Suppose for example I want to take up AI engineer. Okay, there are 2 exams here. One is Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals, which is an optional one. This is an optional one, and this is certificate that you have to take to get Azure AI Engineering Associate certificate. So always a fundamental certificate is an optional one, but it is always recommended to take that certificate because you will get an experience of how to take up exam with Azure. So here you can see the certificates. If you want to be an associate, then you can take up this exam directly, or you can take up the fundamental exam and then take up this exam. Now, is it costly to take up a fundamental exam? No, it's not costly. Microsoft offers free training on all these fundamental courses. Okay, so you can go to the virtual event in Microsoft page. So where you can see free trainings are happening for all the fundamental courses. To begin with, there are actually 3 fundamental exams in AI. You can see the fundamental level courses. You have Azure Fundamentals, Azure Data Fundamentals and Azure AI Fundamentals. So which one should I take up? It depends upon what are you are interested in. If you are interested in just cloud related services, you can go to Azure Fundamentals. If you are interested in data, storing data in cloud, managing the data, then you can go for Azure Data Fundamentals. If you are interested in machine learning, artificial intelligence concept, then you can go for Azure AI Fundamentals. So these are the 3 fundamental certificates available. Okay, so if you want to get training on all those things, you can go to Azure virtual days. So here you can see some virtual training going on this. You can just register. It's a free training. At the end of the training, you will be getting a free voucher to take up this exam. If you don't get this free voucher, the exam fee will be 99 USD. Now, as soon as you clear this exam, actually this fundamental exam will be for 1 hour. There will be 42 questions. You have to score 70% to get the scores. It's pretty much easy to clear this fundamental exam. So once you take up this fundamental exam, you will get an experience how to attend an online proctor exam, because you will be monitored once throughout the exam. When you are writing, you are not allowed to use any cell phones, you are not allowed to do any lip movement, or you are not allowed to take up any books or write any notes while taking up the exam. So you will get experience when writing this fundamental exam. So once you finish the fundamental exam, you can directly go to the associate level. Now before you take up the exam, it's very important, you have to log into the proctor system 30 minutes before the exam, because there are some procedures. You have to wait until you are connected to an online proctor. So you will be asked to show a government issued ID card. You will be asked to show the entire room, a 360-degree scan of your entire room where you are taking up your exam. You have to sit in a private room to take up the exam. You will be asked to show the desk where you are writing your exam. So all these procedures has to be completed before your exam is loaded to you. So at least 30 minutes before you have to connect to a system, and before you log into your system, you have to check whether all your system, the laptop or a desktop where you are taking up your exam is having a proper streaming or a network speed. So for that, you can go to online proctoring system check here and click on run system check to check what is the streaming capacity, because you will be monitored online until you finish your exam. You should have a webcam, your microphone should be working, So this system check will help you to do all those things. So once everything is done, you are ready to take up the fundamental exam. So the first and foremost thing before you take any associate level certificate is to finish the fundamental level exam, and it's very easy to do it. You have a free training, you have a free exam voucher, and you are ready to do the fundamental exam. Thank you. In the next video, I will share you the learning path, and also I will share you the syllabus for the exams.